In just a few years, Teams has risen to become the central hub for the way your business communicates and collaborates. It's a smart application with so many different ways to help your people be more productive. Here are 3 clever tricks you may not have heard before. Number 1. Mark a message as important. When you do this, it notifies the recipients every 2 minutes for the next 20 minutes until they read it. So use this power carefully. With great power comes great responsibility. It's simple to do. In your message, just click this little exclamation point. Number 2. Get Teams to read long messages to you. If a colleague has written tons of text, the Immersive Reader option makes it easier to absorb. Hover over the message, click the 3-dot icon and choose Immersive Reader. Then click the play button at the bottom. And number 3, access all the shortcuts. Just type a / and you'll see all the shortcuts, including ways to see recent files, your mentions, and set your status. Our team are experts at Teams. Want some help for your business to get even more out of it? Get in touch.